Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to enable dark mode on our Instagram account. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated Instagram account. We can do so by going into our App Store and make sure that we do have an updated Instagram account. Once everything is updated, we can go ahead and log in to our Instagram account. So once we are here, and if you notice, this is not in a dark mode. And if you wish that we are going to enable dark mode on our Instagram account, the simplest way in order for us to do so is by going into our settings. We can simply swipe down. And if you notice on our screen right now, we do have here the dark mode icon. We're going to click this. And basically, if you notice on our screen right now, dark mode is on. So if we try to go back on our Instagram account then, if you notice, the dark mode is now enabled. So basically, that is the simplest way in order for us to enable dark mode on our Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.